Okay, well, I'll just show you some key points, features of the pulley system in itself, and how it'll be installed and what it'll look like when it is installed. Other than the motor, which will be mounted in your pocket, the belt runs continuously through the interior track. It's only attached to the operating panel, the lead panel. So the belt runs around that pulley and all the way through, above the rail, and it's attached to the top of this panel. I call it a turnbuckle, but that is just attaches to the rail, and over top the panel more is how you tighten the belt, take all the slack of it out, and then runs all the way back through the hole there. And you see the belt is twisted, but that's a natural thing based on how it runs through the track and how it has to turn to go around the motor. And it's pretty straightforward. All the information should be in the details. Basically just making sure that the idler pulley, or the pulley at the top of the motor, is parallel with the belt that runs through the track. You don't want it to ride across the opening of the pocket at the top, and you want to make sure that it's not dragging across the sides. If there is any question on installation, don't hesitate to call the service number that's on any of the paperwork that you may get. They'll help you out, they'll walk you through, answer any questions you have, and they'll help you set it up the way it needs to be set up. Yeah, those are the key points that I can give you. And good luck.